Hi friends, it's Chris. So we got to talk about the crazy stuff going on in the market. And the question is this a new bull market or merely a bear market rally? However, when talking about the stock market, I want to share with you 3 golden rules that I've learned through experience going through this stuff. Number 1, don't fight the Fed. So the basic idea is that whatever the Federal Reserve sets their monetary policy at, the stock market tends to follow. Number 2, people lie for money. Basically, when there's money on the line, people will tell you whatever they can to get you to buy whatever they're selling. Number 3, markets can be manipulated by everyone. And so be careful out there because these 3 golden rules, they often conflict. However, always keep them in mind. So first, take a look at this. Michael Burry tweets out, sell, a very simple one-word thing. Federal Jerome Powell comes out and announces the rate hikes, and suddenly we get headlines, Powell didn't fight back against the stock market. Fed Powell says no rate cuts this year, and markets hear it differently. The Fed opted for a smaller rate increase. Powell leaves hope for cuts. And the question is, okay, so who do we believe? Is this a new bull market or merely a bear market rally? Wall Street Bets tweeted out, after his big sell tweet, Michael Burry deletes his Twitter. Looks like Jim Cramer wins this one. And true story, Michael Burry did in fact delete his Twitter. You can see it right there. And if you're wondering other things going crazy on in Twitter, even Elon Musk, the CEO, has actually made his Twitter private because he was worried about bots. In regards to manipulation, there's a professor over at the University of Texas. He thinks Bitcoin is manipulated. The basic gist of it, he says that whenever Bitcoins reach to certain levels, there is collusion among big whales who determine to say, hey everyone, we're all going to be buying to give it essentially a floor. Also, too, he claims that there is printing of Tether, which basically is another way to manipulate Bitcoin. Then Elon Musk warns, in turbulent economic times, be wary of using margin loans to buy stock. And kids, do take note, Elon Musk lost $140 million on Bitcoin in 2022. However, if you believe in the new bull market, Carvana is actually one of the best investments this year, up 283% year to date. Carvana's frenzied rally shows speculative bets are trending again. Carvana's stock extends meme-like surge, heads towards longest streak in 4 months. So we have more evidence for a new bull market. Even Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin prices reached a 5-month high last night. Moreover, even Cathie Wood's ARK ETF has had its best month ever. However, I want you to be aware when we're talking about ARK Invest and Cathie Wood, they are pumping because they need to get their money back. If you take a look at this, look at the chart of Cathie Wood's ARK fund, they were down 80% from top to bottom. Now they're down only about 70%, but they still need to try to convince you to buy their stuff to get their money back. So basically, ARK's out telling everyone, hey, Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million. And so basically, ARK is saying, worst case scenario, Bitcoin hits 250,000. Best case scenario, Bitcoin hits 1.48 million. Because if you listen to ARK, they're going to say, yo, the future is digital wallets, public blockchain, Bitcoin, robotics, 3D printing, orbital aerospace, all of these kind of things. Also, if you listen to ARK, they're going to tell you that reusable rockets are going to power your traditional smartphones. And also, too, if you listen to ARK, they're going to tell you that crypto mining with solar power is the future, bro. ARK also says AI chatbots, like ChatGPT, will drive robotaxis. And when you ask ARK about the future, they're basically saying that autonomous mobility / Tesla's FSD is the future, bro. And in fact, this is essentially one of their biggest holdings. And remember the 3 golden rules, right? People will say things for money, people manipulate the markets, and also, too, don't fight the Fed. So when you're sort of like navigating, is this a new bull market or just a bear market rally, you have to do a gut check of yourself of what do you believe. And this is sort of why we talk about this stuff on the channel, to try to separate the truth from the BS, because in fact, there's a lot of both out there, and you got to figure out which is which. So are we in a new bull market or a bear market rally? And I showed you a bunch of different evidence. Please share your thoughts. Love to hear about it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.